Hey guys, it's your homeboy, the one only Great Dane, back with Fortnite. So the Fortnightmares update is launched, so I thought it only right to create a Fortnite Halloween skin. So at the time I'm making this, for some reason the gas can has been disabled. I believe it's because there was a weird pickup glitch where if you had it in your inventory you couldn't pick up items. So anyway, I use BlueStacks to record, and as you guys can probably see, my volume's only on 12 out of 100, and it's probably a lot louder in the video for some reason. I have no idea why, but trust me, it's like regular volume for me. So I'm trying to turn that down a little more so you guys can hear the mic, because I did get a comment from a friend of mine, Hidden Master, so thank you for that. I'll leave a link to his channel in the top right for helping me out, of course. So for this hero style, we have the hunter skin, because that's always going to be the one I use, because that's the one I have. So I went with the bold style as well as the green and black to kind of look like a zombie ripping out of the clothes. So this is a zombie style is what I went for. So we have hairstyle C with pink to look like a brain coming out of the head. We have the eye mask off, the belt off, because I just don't think they go too great with this. So the one thing that does bother me particularly though is, if you guys remember the custom skin, it came with a very large variety, like you could get a very custom color for the neck scarf. I wish they had that for the colors on this skin, because obviously this color of green doesn't really match the skin, and there is no one that greatly matches it to get the design I'm looking for, because you guys will see if I invert the colors, this scheme matches a little bit better, but then the whole ripping out of the clothes thing doesn't really work here. So I'm just sticking with this for now. So accessory color doesn't matter because I don't think you need accessories for a zombie. We have the glowing red eyes, because come back to life. Moss screen. I guess I could do this screen, but this is more alien than zombie. So I'm sticking with moss screen. Again, I went with the magenta. Kind of looks like a brain, especially with this hair design. You know, because it's like meat wavy, I guess. And then I think the Let's Rock zombie hand emote goes pretty well, or should I say sticker goes pretty well with this. So yeah guys, this is my custom skin. So to go along with it, I have the banner cape with the tombstone and zombie hands. We have the Hulk smashers, I think goes pretty cool with this. We have the dark engine from, I believe it was the first Fortnightmares. I think that's why it has a 1 on it, perhaps. Then we have Phantasm for the Lost Souls of the Dead. And then you could go with the new Midas wrap from this season. I personally prefer the Fiend wrap from the second Halloween event, though. So the emotes I think are good with this are T-pose. I love just T-posing and spinning around in this game. It's so dank. Okay. Then we have Stormy. Creepy weather. Okay, we have Howl. We have Get Loose. You could also switch this out with Boneless, would probably be better if you have Boneless. It's supposed to be like broken arms, I guess. And then Slytherin, kind of the same thing, plus it has the creepy music. So I believe this came out during the first Halloween event in Fortnite as well. So then we have Rolly. The music is off for copyright reasons, obviously. Rolly specifically, though, for this last part where he says puts you in a trance and he just has the arms up. Obviously, if you have Zombified, I think that'd work probably better than Rolly. I just wanted to say an honorable mention would probably be Roar. I have to say I like the emote, but it takes so long to actually do what it's supposed to do that I find that I never actually really use it in game. The only time I could think of using it is at the end Victory Royale, because that's the only time. I'm pretty sure I timed it and it takes literally 11 seconds to do the emote, and who wants to stand still for 11 seconds? So you can see the Let's Rock emote here. Zombies Unite. And again, as people are saying, the shadows in this event are quite powerful, and it's a lot easier to get a Victory Royale if you just die and join the shadow team, and you wait to kill everyone at the end. So as you guys can see, I have the icon on the banner cape here to match the suit. We have the eerie Halloween music, which I believe is from the first Fortnightmares as well. And then we have Midas's Revenge to match the season. So yeah guys, you could go with this, or I'd love to have you link any of your own designs, maybe make a video or a picture on some site for some Halloween skins you made yourself in the comments, or you can put in some links to some pictures of videos of you trying to recreate this either on this skin or on a different skin. And I'd love to see it. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure to leave a like, or you just enjoy the design or this commentary for some reason. And make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you look forward to seeing more content like this in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully the mic audio is better this time around. I'll keep testing it every now and then. So again, thank you to Hidden Master for pointing that out. And have a great day, guys.